Pass one trade and get funded. No stress, no personal risk. Breakout gives you a $5,000 to $100,000 account, flexible payouts, and a 4.9 stars trading community. Your trading career starts now. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Let's dive into Breakout Prop Firm, a crypto-native prop firm trading on one of the best centralized exchange liquidity. First of all, what is a prop firm and why do I need it? Prop trading allows traders to access significant capital provided by a firm, eliminating the need for personal deposits or risking personal funds. Breakout, as a prop firm, specializes in cryptocurrencies prop trading, offering a structured path for traders to scale their strategies without the financial burden of large personal investments. Now, the key benefits of trading with Breakout are, number one, access to capital. You can manage accounts up to $100,000 with a 5x leverage, providing you up to a $500,000 in notional buying power. At the same time, you get the advantage of a fixed downside risk. The maximum loss that you will ever get is limited to the evaluation fee that you will pay for your evaluation. It ensures you peace of mind even in a volatile market like cryptocurrencies. Now, why Breakout stands out in the prop firm trading space? Number one, trader-friendly rules. No profit caps, no consistency rules, no trailing stop losses, and no restrictions in trading styles like scalping or news trading. In addition to the trader-friendly rules, you have on-demand payouts, which means you can withdraw profits whenever you want with no waiting periods on payout cycles directly to your USDC wallet. In addition to that, Breakout gives you speed. You have rapid evaluations and funding processes. Breakout's one-step evaluation process allows traders to get funded in as little as one trade with no minimum trading days or consistency requirements. And once you pass the evaluation, the account is automatically upgraded, and it enables you to focus on strategy rather than, administrative delays. Another impressive thing about Breakout Prop Firm is that they have one of the most active online communities on X and Discord. You can click the links down in the description and follow them on X and join their Discord channel. The most important aspect when trading cryptocurrencies is liquidity, and Breakout solves that with a deep liquidity access. Breakout connects traders to Tier 1 centralized exchange liquidity, ensuring tight spreads and minimal slippage. So you can use Breakout's capital, keeping your personal crypto assets secure and separate. And Breakout, in the end of the day, is a battle-tested reliability. Breakout is operated by crypto veterans and has maintained a flawless record since 2023 with zero payout delays or denials. And with your Breakout dashboard, once you buy your first evaluation, you can manage all of your accounts, actives and inactives. You have real-time access to all of your trades and accounts overview, and you can request your payout whenever you want and receive it to your USDC wallet immediately. To sum up, with Breakout, you get the ability to manage up to 100,000 funded accounts and get up to 90% of profit split of those accounts. You have trader-friendly rules with no hidden rules to let you fail the evaluation, and on-demand payouts directly to your USDC wallet. If you want to trade with the best crypto prop firm, just click the link down in the description and buy your evaluation today. That's all for now. Thank you so much for being with me at this video. Don't forget to click the like button and comment below any questions that you may have and I did not answer. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss more valuable videos like this one to help you with your cryptocurrencies journey. Thank you so much and see you at the next video.